And future projects will be needed. We've got more heavy rain in the forecast. A line of showers and thunderstorms is expected to develop, and these could again get severe. 'Tis the season. I want to first begin with a Thursday drought report update. Every Thursday this is issued, but you've got to keep in mind that they close the data at midnight Tuesday, or I should say Wednesday, right? So all the rain that we had yesterday morning, which was record breaking in San Antonio, is not included on what we're looking at. That'll be included in next week's report. So the Memorial Day night rain is, and it doesn't look like it did much, right? I mean, San Antonio, all of Bexar County, still an exceptional drought. This was a little different. We carved out some of the exceptional drought north of Bernie, east of Kerrville. The best result was the Edwards Aquifer. Look at this. Well, your lawn too, right? But look at this, up 6 feet this week, almost 5.8 to be exact. And the Edwards Aquifer Authority, because of the rain, remember Monday they declared stage 5 for permit holders. They've already this afternoon said, no, we're going to go back to stage 4, considering the 2 days of rain, and now round 3 coming tonight. So far, the storms are blowing up out to the west. In fact, we've got a tornado warning that's going to be closer to Lubbock than San Angelo right now, but this will be the breeding ground. We're going to see everything develop out to the west and push in our direction, mainly overnight. Going to show you 2 models here side by side so that we get an idea. Now, this graph model was out to lunch this week. It just did not do a good job on the Monday and Wednesday morning rainfall. Keep that in mind. But at midnight, it shows from Fredericksburg down to Rock Springs with this storm line pushing into the city by 3 in the morning. And it goes from San Antonio west on 90 and then clears out by 9 a.m. tomorrow. And then we're off to a dry Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. Now, the HRRR model, which performed really well this week, is showing a much later start. Look at this, 3 in the morning, nothing in San Antonio yet. Everything's developing over the hill country, not pushing into the city till about 8:30 or 9 a.m. tomorrow. And then pushing through. They both agree on that everything's out by, say, midday to early afternoon tomorrow. So very interesting how they're split. But any rain that falls is going to go to runoff quickly now. So flooding rains are a part of this weather impact alert overnight and Friday morning. Heavy rain, flooding, and remember to turn around, don't drown. But hail is also a possibility. We're in a 2 out of 5 risk. So here's how I break things down. 60 plus on the mile per hour winds and the hail, both at a medium threat, tornadic minimal threat. Heavy rain is at a high threat because of just how rain swollen we are. So the 14-day forecast, weather impact alert for only the first half of Friday. Then Friday afternoon, quiet 89, pair of 8s on Saturday, back to the 90s by Sunday and the beginning of June. Notice that we'll drop rain chances by the beginning of next work week and be steamy in those mid-90s, Nate Ryan.